Welcome to another tutorial video. Today I'm going to show you how to edit a supply order unit cost. I'll show you two ways to do this. The process is the same for materials and products sourced from a supplier. So let's go to your materials page. Click on the material that you want to edit the unit cost. On the material card details, you're going to see the history and the supply orders. So click on the supply orders. Here you're going to see all the supply orders of this specific material. Click on the 3 points on the right side of the supply order that you want to edit the unit cost and select edit unit price. Then change the unit cost and you will see that automatically the system will change that unit cost for you. For the products sourced from a supplier, the process is going to be the same. So in your products page, on the search bar, you're going to filter your products that are sourced from a supplier, so it's easier for you to find them. Select the product that you want to edit the unit cost and duplicate the process that I show you with your materials. The second way to do this is going to your purchases page and click on your supply orders. Select the supply order that you want to edit. On the supply order card details, click on the 3 points on the right side and click on edit supply order. Then you're going to be able to update the supply order and change the unit price of the materials or products that you want. Click save and you will see the changes automatically. This is how you can edit a supply order unit cost in Inventora.